Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm Android Studio, SDK, and JDK versions are compatible. This prevents runtime class mismatches. Then, clean the project and rebuild to regenerate classes and resources. Make sure your AVD or device has matching API level. Run on a fresh emulator if unsure. Once done, check the Android manifest for incorrect package names, missing launcher activity, or denied permissions which can crash on startup. These first steps remove the most common causes. Now dig into logs. Open Logcat, filter by your package, and look for fatal exception entries. This tells you the failing class and line. Once identified, expand the stack trace and inspect caused by to find the root cause, null pointer, resource not found, or class cast. Make focused code edits. Add null checks, correct resource ID, and handle lifecycle events. Also, rerun with debuggable build type and place log. D statements or breakpoints to follow execution until the failure point. Finish by applying the specific code fix from the stack trace, then uninstall the broken app and reinstall to avoid signature or data conflicts. Bump version code when needed. After editing, invalidate caches and restart Android Studio to clear stale state, then clean and rebuild the project. Make sure ProGuard or multidex rules are not stripping required classes. If problems persist, create a minimal reproduction. This isolates the issue. Key tip: if crash remains, inspect a fresh logcat on a clean install. Most hidden causes show up there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.